You know, Venus, if I had to choose my best friend all over again, it would still be you. Ah, same, Pearl. Life would be so dull without your drama and chaos.
Excuse me, Venus. That's called personality.
Personality? You mean getting into trouble and dragging me along?
Obviously. What's the point of fun if I'm doing it alone?
True, my sweetie Pearl. And honestly, I wouldn't want it any other way.
Venu, promise me something.
Depends. What is it?
No matter how much we fight, or where life takes us, we stay like this.
Deal. Forever and always.